What are the design trends of public bathroom? First, simple and flat design. Public bathroom become a key expression of hygiene and safety of hotels, restaurants, and other buildings. Strong and sloped, streamlined, cool design is the main trend today. Also in ADA required bathroom accessory must protrude no more than 4 inches from the wall, so usually constructors prefer flat surface design more. Second, coronavirus has made touchless restroom a must. Safety and health are currently top of mind for everyone. Touchless accessories keep people distant from the opportunities to catch the virus. Third, easy and low-frequency maintenance. In order to save labor costs, those big capacity soap dispenser, simple function bathroom accessories are more acceptable in public restrooms.